In the world of private aviation, there are aircraft that command attention the moment they touch the skies. Some are known for their speed, some for their luxury, and a rare few combine both in a way that makes them feel almost untouchable. Imagine stepping into a jet so advanced that it not only redefines private travel but also becomes a symbol of wealth, power, and cutting-edge engineering. That is the Gulfstream G700. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Global Conflict News channel, and before we dive into the incredible details of this aircraft, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our deep dives into the most impressive machines in the world. When Gulfstream first announced the G700, it immediately sent shockwaves across the industry. This was not just another private jet, it was an aviation statement, a futuristic leap designed to leave competitors behind. The story of the G700 begins with ambition. Gulfstream set out to create the largest, fastest, and most comfortable private jet in its history. And by every measure, they succeeded. The moment you see this aircraft from the outside, it feels like you are witnessing a blend of futuristic design and raw aviation power. The exterior design of the G700 is sleek, aerodynamic, and instantly recognizable. With a length of nearly 110 feet and a wingspan of 103 feet, this is a giant in the skies. Its elongated fuselage provides an elegant profile that commands respect, while its raked wingtip design is not just for looks, it significantly enhances aerodynamic efficiency. The fuselage, polished and streamlined, is built with Gulfstream's signature use of advanced lightweight materials, ensuring strength without unnecessary weight. Every line, every curve, has been engineered to slice through the air with minimal resistance. Even when it is standing still on the tarmac, the jet looks fast, like it's ready to break free from gravity at any second. Its large windows, the largest in the business aviation industry, dot the fuselage like oversized jewels, signaling that what lies inside is just as extraordinary as what you see outside. Now let's step inside, because this is where the G700 truly sets itself apart. The interior is not just luxurious, it is revolutionary. Gulfstream designed the G700 cabin to be the longest in the industry, stretching nearly 57 feet in length. What that means in reality is space, more than enough to create multiple living areas inside a flying palace. Depending on the configuration, owners can divide the interior into up to 5 distinct living spaces. Imagine having a full master suite with a bed and shower, a dining room that doubles as a conference table, a lounge with plush seating, and even a dedicated entertainment area. The interior isn't just about size, though, it's about atmosphere. Gulfstream has perfected cabin pressure technology, ensuring that at cruising altitude, the cabin feels like you are only at 4,100 feet instead of 40,000. That translates into less fatigue, reduced jet lag, and a more comfortable journey. Add to this the industry's most advanced air purification system, which refreshes the entire cabin with 100% fresh air every few minutes, and you have an environment that feels healthier than most luxury hotel rooms. The lighting system, capable of mimicking natural daylight, further reduces fatigue by aligning with passengers' circadian rhythms. In other words, a long journey on the G700 doesn't just move you across the globe, it leaves you feeling refreshed, not drained. Performance, of course, is what ties the G700 together. Under the hood, or more accurately under its wings, the jet is powered by 2 Rolls-Royce Pearl 700 engines. These engines are among the most advanced in private aviation, delivering a top speed of Mach 0.925. That's just shy of the speed of sound, allowing passengers to cross oceans in record times. Imagine flying from New York to London in under 7 hours, or from Los Angeles to Tokyo in less than 12. With a range of 7,500 nautical miles, the G700 isn't just fast, it's far-reaching. This means non-stop flights between virtually any 2 cities on the planet, from Hong Kong to New York or Dubai to Buenos Aires. Gulfstream also designed the jet with advanced aerodynamics and fuel efficiency in mind, so while it is a massive and luxurious aircraft, it is surprisingly economical in its fuel burn compared to other jets in its class. Pilots benefit from Gulfstream's state-of-the-art Symmetry flight deck, which incorporates touchscreen avionics, predictive landing systems, and enhanced safety features that make flying this aircraft both precise and reliable. Speaking of safety, the G700 spares no expense. Gulfstream has built its reputation not just on luxury but also on trust, and safety has always been at the forefront of its design philosophy. The Symmetry flight deck introduces active control sidesticks, a first in business aviation, which provide real-time feedback and allow pilots to coordinate more seamlessly. The predictive landing performance system helps prevent runway overruns by constantly analyzing landing conditions, while advanced vision systems give pilots better situational awareness during low visibility approaches. In the cabin, safety extends to health, with the previously mentioned air purification system playing a crucial role, especially in an age where cleanliness and air quality are more important than ever. The jet structure itself is engineered with advanced composites and redundancies to ensure that even in extreme conditions, the aircraft remains stable and secure. But beyond the impressive stats and features, what makes the G700 truly unique are its selling points. Gulfstream isn't just offering a jet, it's offering an unmatched experience. The combination of the world's largest cabin, the ability to customize interiors down to the smallest detail, the whisper-quiet environment, and the health-focused systems make this more than a jet, it's a flying luxury home and office rolled into one. For ultra-high net worth individuals, government leaders, and corporate executives, the G700 becomes more than transportation, it becomes a statement of identity. It tells the world that the owner values speed, comfort, technology, and prestige in equal measure. No other jet currently on the market offers such a balance of performance and luxury. Of course, all of this comes at a price, and the G700 is not for the faint of heart when it comes to cost. The list price of the Gulfstream G700 sits at around $75 million, and with customizations, that number can climb significantly higher. For many, this might sound astronomical, but in the world of private aviation, the G700 delivers value that matches its price. Consider what it offers: the ability to skip the hassles of commercial travel, the power to connect distant corners of the world without stopping, and an onboard environment that rivals the best luxury resorts. For billionaires, global corporations, and governments, the price is not just for a jet, it's for efficiency, privacy, and the ability to control time itself. In conclusion, the Gulfstream G700 is more than just the newest addition to Gulfstream's legendary lineup, it is the crown jewel of business aviation. From its striking exterior design to its revolutionary interior, from the raw power of its Rolls-Royce engines to the unparalleled safety and comfort systems, it stands alone at the top of the private jet market. It isn't just fast, it's one of the fastest. It isn't just big, it's the biggest in its class. And it isn't just luxurious, it redefines what luxury in the skies means. For those who can afford it, the G700 is not simply a way to travel, it is a way to live, to command time and space, and to do it with unmatched style. So the next time you see one of these incredible machines streaking across the sky, remember that you are not just watching an airplane, you are watching the future of private aviation in motion.